Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can sort of create a slanted blur transition on the CapCut application. So first you're going to really zoom in these clips by pinching your fingers until you can no longer zoom in. Then you're going to the first transition, which is here. Go to effects, video effects, and you are going to go to mood, and you are going to select vertical blur, and I'm just going to adjust the blur to 100 and press the check mark button. Then you're going to make the sort of vertical blur really small, so I'm just going to go to like the end here and make it very small. So I'm just going to again zoom it. Okay, this is the smallest it can go, so I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to go to video effects again, go to basic, and let's find slanted blur. Go to adjust and make the blur to 100 and rotate it around 50. Press the check mark button and we're gonna make it small again, like the effect. Then you're going to just copy and paste it and put it in like the beginning of the next clips. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm just going to show you like right now, and this is the sort of result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!